Yo, what's good, guys? Today I made $3,000 trading the Nasdaq. Let's go ahead and get into today's recap. So, going into the day, I was pretty bullish. This is like 9:30, 9:29 or something like that. We were obviously trending toward these highs, which was a 4 hour high. Which was a 1 hour high and a 4 hour gap. And as you guys can see, market was super bullish. But if we look at the market, we never ended up taking that. So at 9:30, we came down and then we had this big move up. I know a lot of people probably took this trade right here off this candle close, expecting us to just flush to the draw, stops down here, which is really a protected stop if we were going to be bullish. And this was the trade. Personally, this is just not the best trade in my opinion. We were kind of chopping here. I would like to see like better structure and not just one candle and enter off one candle. Because you can get cooked a lot of times entering trades like that, just trying to play off one candle, and especially at the 9:31 candle. Like if there was another candle here and I could have taken something like this, maybe I would have been in it. Like this candle came down and then we came up and had a close right here with a very strong close. Maybe I would have took something like that. But considering that didn't happen, I definitely did not take that trade. Okay. Now, next, what happened? You see, we came up, we came down with a lot of volume. As you guys can see, we just dumped 70 points that quick. So at this point, I was looking for shorts because when we have lower, we had London lows right here. So yeah, if you look at the hourly, same sort of story. We also had this 1 hour gap right here. I know maybe some people target that. I didn't. I was genuinely just looking for London lows. I'd rather target that than just target a random gap. So what happened? We dumped lower. At this point, I was looking for shorts. You see right here, we got this nice 1 minute retrace. Bang. Now, considering we're dumping, you see we're making new gaps. We're going flying to the draw. This was probably trade of the day. Right here. And you could put your stop loss above this gap because we're already reacting off this 1 minute gap. We should not go up and take out this gap. So that is a safe stop. And right here for 1 to 1.8. Bang. Easy money. A lot of money you could have made on that trade. So I think that was the trade of the day. Unfortunately, I did not get that entry. And instead, I didn't like that candle necessarily, but I should have seen this. I was on the line about taking it and I didn't take it. So I did miss out on some money today. But this candle played out. I got in like mid candle right here. Same stop. I was playing a little bit safe and I entered for something like this. I think it was a little bit less than this. I don't know. I think it was a little bit less than this. I don't really remember. I think it was like a 1 to 1.17. Like it was like this. My stop was a little bit too high. But yeah. This was the entry. This was my entry. Very safe entry. We probably not going to get stopped out. Still get a 1 to 1. So I was not mad at it. And I did not go break even right here. I know some people probably would have gone break even. I didn't go break even because I was very convicted in this draw being hit. And we just made a 1 minute gap too. So just considering how price was moving, we were probably going to retrace. And I didn't want to get break even on this trade, considering like it was pretty obvious that we were going to go take these lows. At this point, I trailed stop to the most recent high. That's most likely what I do. And yeah, I kept trailing stop to the most recent high. And this trade, it did take a while to deliver. And I'm pretty sure that's just because market was so bullish at the time. So it was going to take a little bit longer to deliver. But we did end up delivering, and this trade ended up smacking. Pretty free trade. We were in like a tick of drawdown, and yeah. One thing you guys should take away from today is you guys have to not marry your bias. Obviously, everybody was bullish today, but as soon as market opens, we do this and we start flying down to a session low. Like you guys have to just be able to flip your bias and look for an entry in the other direction. Don't FOMO into anything because we're flying down. You see, I waited. I didn't enter this because I wasn't comfortable with it, but I was able to get another entry and easily hit TP. So yeah, guys, that's the recap for today. If you guys took a trade today, if you guys won today, let me know down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys go follow my Instagram. Put it on the screen right now, Lando Trades. You guys go follow me over there. I post a lot. I've been posting every single day. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.